मेरा बेटे की हालत वो हो गई थी, बिल्कुल फूल गया था, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था आँखों से, नाक से।
Two engineers died after a hair transplant performed by this doctor, who allegedly posed as a dermatologist but holds only a dental surgery degree.
Hello friends, a tragic incident was reported recently, and while deeply unfortunate, such events continue to occur due to the lack of proper regulations in our country. As a dermatologist, I feel a strong responsibility towards my patients, followers, and the general public. Understand how to protect themselves for falling into wrong hands, especially when it comes to skin and hair treatments. India, there's a growing trend of individuals falsely advertising themselves as skincare or hair care specialists from small towns to major cities. Many of these individuals are not trained dermatologists, yet they perform advanced treatments without proper qualifications. Let's be clear, only two medical specialties, dermatologists and plastic surgeons, are qualified to perform hair transplant in India. Also, only postgraduates in dermatology field are true skin specialists. Just like a cardiologist is a true heart specialist, only a dermatologist is a true skin specialist. However, terms like skin expert, cosmetologist, trichologist, wellness therapist are being misused by individuals who lack the necessary medical background. A BDS, MDS, Ayurveda, homeopathy, or someone with just a short cosmetology course is not qualified to treat skin diseases or perform dermatological procedures. Even MBBS doctors, unless they have specialization in dermatology, that is, a postgraduate degree in dermatology, should not be practicing any cosmetic dermatology. During my own MBBS, dermatology was covered in just 150-page book and a 1 to 2 month rotation. It was not at all enough to confidently diagnose or treat real skin condition. In contrast, during my 3 year post graduation in dermatology, I read a plethora of books. I saw hundreds of patients daily, giving me exposure to over 1 lakh patients overall. Yet today, we see others claiming expertise in skin by reading a book or attending a short training. That is not enough. No one can claim to be skin and hair specialist even if they have read all these books also. You need a degree, and there is no shortcut to being a dermatologist. Dermatology isn't about painting faces with peels or casually doing laser. These are medical procedures. The skin is a sensitive organ with nerves and vessels, and there are risk factors. It is not a canvas to experiment. Deaths and serious complications have happened previously because of improper treatment during hair transplant, even with a simple chemical peel and injectable procedures. Some incidents have been fatal. These procedures, while common, are not simple, and when something goes wrong, unqualified individuals cannot manage the complication. As a patient, you must be vigilant. Here's what to do. Ask for doctor's full qualification. Confirm if they have a degree in dermatology. Watch for red flags like celebrity cosmetologist, trichologist, UK Germany fellow with no Indian dermatology qualification. Distance courses or fellowships abroad do not qualify someone as a dermatologist. According to my knowledge, there is no dermatologist in India with an international postgraduate degree, and all those degrees will not make them qualified enough to practice as a dermatologist in India or anywhere in the world. Also, not all award-winning dermatologists are real. In my 15 years of experience, I've come across very few doctors who have been awarded, but mostly all awards are paid and fake. Always ask, are you an allopathic doctor? That means if they have an MBBS, and what is your postgraduate specialization, whether it's in a field of dermatology or something else. I'm not saying that complications can't happen in the hands of a qualified dermatologist or a qualified doctor. They can, but a trained doctor knows how to manage the emergency, minimize the risk, and follow the ethical standards. Some may say that I'm being biased because this affects my practice, this affects my business. Yes, my business is affected, but not in the way you think. My business is patient well-being, and seeing that being compromised by untrained individuals hurts deeply. Even if an unqualified practitioner gives results to a few patients, that does not justify putting lives at risk. Would you go to a dentist for a heart surgery? Would you trust someone who attended a 2 month course for your child's medical condition? Then why take risks with your skin or hair? Two of your most visible sensitive aspects. We need to educate, empower, and protect each other. Until regulations improve, awareness is our strongest defense. If this message saves even one life, it's worth it. Let's stay aware, let's stay safe.